Hello, welcome to this tutorial. I am going to explain about variable types, assignment operator, print and println, and how to accept input from console using a scanner class. For the last item, that is scanner class, I may have to go to the another tutorial because time may not permit here. So let me start with variable type. Integer is a very commonly used variable type, like string, like double, like float. Now what is an integer variable? An integer variable is like a number of students, like number of classrooms, something which has a whole value, not a decimal value. In Java, any variable that you use, you have to first declare it and then you have to use it. It's called declare and then you use. You cannot use a variable before you declare it, and every variable will have a data type. So data type also has to be declared while declaring a variable. Next, I will talk a little bit about assignment operator. What is assignment? Assignment means assigning a value to some variable. Like, what is the temperature today? Say 37 degrees Celsius. So that is a value for today's temperature. I'll explain this concepts with the help of an example, which is to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius temperature. Let me go to NetBeans. I have already written the first two lines, and which is the main method. I also wrote a program name, test program. This will just save some of my typing time. Okay, and these lines are very common. These are very standard lines. So every program will have these lines. Program name will be your program name, and main method will be there with this kind of arguments. So I declare two variables, Fahrenheit and Celsius. Now since these two variables both have the same data type, I can declare them in the same line, like double Fahrenheit comma Celsius. So I can declare both into one single line. This will be useful when you write programs. You can use this kind of practice. This is a comment. Any comment has to start with two slashes. So convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. It's a common practice. You can write a comment in the program itself, which will declare, which will mention what is the purpose of this program. This is an assignment operator. Fahrenheit equal to 212.0. That means I am assigning a value of 212 to Fahrenheit. And I will be converting this Fahrenheit temperature to Celsius. Now to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, I will use the standard formula of physics, that is C equal to F minus 32 into 5 divided by 9. You remember this formula, C by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. This is the same formula. Okay. Now to use this formula, I will write like this: Celsius equal to Fahrenheit minus 32.0 into 5 divided by 9. So now on the right hand side of the equal sign, Fahrenheit is replaced by the value 212.0. So from 212.0, 32 is subtracted. Then 5 is multiplied with the result 212.0 minus 32 is 180. 180 into 5 is 900. 900 divided by 9 is 100. So Celsius will be 100, and we know that 212 degree Fahrenheit is 100 degree Celsius. And any statement has to end with a semicolon. Now I will display this converted temperature system.out.print. Now there are two ways to display a line, print and println, system.out.print and system.out.println. The difference is, with print, when the line is displayed, the cursor stays on the same line, whereas in the case of println, the cursor goes to the next line after the line is displayed. You can see here, in the first statement I have used system.out.print, and I am prompting the user to provide the Fahrenheit temperature. No, not prompting the user. I am displaying a statement, the Celsius for the Fahrenheit temperature is, and then I am displaying the Celsius temperature, which I converted using the formula. Now I run the program. Now I see it is displayed on the same line. It's little bit small font. From the next tutorial onwards, I'm going to make it a little bit larger. I figured it out how to do that. I'll use it from my next tutorial. So please bear with me for this tutorial. But also I can display the Fahrenheit temperature, that is input Fahrenheit temperature, in the same line. So using a plus, then the variable name, as you can see in the program. You can pause the video and see, and then it shows that the Celsius for the Fahrenheit temperature, then 212 is 100. So it is even better. So you got some idea about how to use variable types, how to use assignment operators, how to use comments.